Uganda's Constitutional Court has made a landmark ruling on one of the most debated issues in the country, abortion. In a tight 3-2 decision, the court has upheld the Penal Code provisions that criminalize procuring, attempting, or supplying abortion-related services. In short, abortion remains illegal under Ugandan law. The case came from two petitions filed by HRAPF, CEHURD, Professor Twinomugisha and Dr. Nakayi, who argued that the abortion laws violate women's constitutional rights to life, dignity, health, and equality. They also pointed out a legal vacuum in Uganda, pushing women toward unsafe procedures and scaring health workers away from providing essential care. The state, however, pushed back hard, saying the Constitution protects fetal life and that the Penal Code is consistent with existing law. They argued Uganda already allows life-saving or health-preserving abortions and that criminalisation is meant to protect public interest. The majority opinion, written by Justice Dr. Asamugenyi, was clear. Abortion is not a constitutional right in Uganda. The court said you cannot magically infer rights from silence in the Constitution. If Parliament hasn't made a law, the court isn't going to invent one. The court ruled that sections 130, 131, and 132 are constitutionally valid and there is no proof they violate women's rights or cause cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment. In other words, Parliament holds the pen for future reform, not the judges. But it wasn't anonymous. Justice Eva Luswata and Frederick Egonda disagreed, urging that the law unjustifiably limits women's rights and that Parliament's decades-long failure to regulate abortion is unconstitutional. The majority, however, firmly said nope, it's still Parliament's problem. So what's the bottom line? Uganda's abortion laws remain unchanged. Any future reforms are now squarely in Parliament's hands, not the courts, not the activists, not anyone tweeting angry hashtags at 2 a.m. Uganda Radio Network will keep you updated as this story develops. And now we want to hear from you. What's your take on this ruling? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates. Story compiled by Judith Gukunda, Uganda Radio Network, Kampala.